Hey, have you completed your physics assignment?
Nah, bro.
No, bro, it's too complicated. I will do it tomorrow.
Stop, guys. We have already attended so many classes.
Yes.
So don't talk about studies. Let's focus on coffee and enjoy it.
Yes, he's right. We should enjoy our coffee.
But I don't have coffee.
Go and buy it from there. Wait, Rahul is messaging me. He's saying that there is an extra class of English from
What?
4 p.m. It's already 4:15.
Let's go, guys. Go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, students. Now let's sit down
Thank
and open
you,
your
sir.
assignments. I will check it today. Now I would like to know which one of you has not paid my fees until now. You? Astos, stand up.
Sir.
How it long been, becha? You paid my fees from last time? No. It's 3 months, 2 days, 3 hours, 28 minutes, 15, 16, 17, 18 seconds, beta. It's too late. When you will clear your dues?
Sir, it's too hot. Please turn on the fan.
Square plus b c square equal. What? You want me to turn on the fan? Beta, why didn't I rotate around the fan like this? But the thing is, the fan is not working. You know why? Because I didn't pay the electricity bill. You know why? Because you have not paid my fees. You know why that happens? Because you didn't arrange the fees. And the thing is, electricity department cut my house wires. This is all due to you. It's been that long since you paid the fees. I know you will pay me. I'm not saying this. You took my fees and go to USA or Canada or some else country. I know you will pay me. Did I say that? He looks like a rob or he is a thief. I'm not saying this. That guy was saying that.
Sir, why he is sleeping right now?
Wait, what? You have not paid my fees from last 3 months. I'll rather dig a grave for you. But see Anmol, he paid 3 years fees in advance. Anmol, do you need anything? Food, cold drink, ice cream, cake, anything else? Should I come there?
No, thank you.
No, beta, I will come there.
No, thank you, sir. I don't want anything.
Let's see. The reputation of group study is already very bad. There is no such thing as group study. Let's move to chapter 1. What is this? What is this? This is nothing. There is nothing to study in this chapter. It is something that we should do in the end. Let's move to chapter 2. What is this? What is this? It is nothing. Nothing to study. Let's move to next chapter. Chapter 3.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
What is this? It is very difficult chapter. It is so difficult that it will ruin your future.
What?
It is very difficult that we will do it in later.
Okay.
Now we will do chapter 5. Trigonometric equations. Okay. It's better that we start with chapter 6. How many chapters do we have to study? 6,
7,
8, 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What are they?
nothing.
They are nothing. I think we should eat before study. Let's go to Ganga Dhaba.
Let's go.
Are you done eating? Let us start studying now.
Nothing will happen. It is very easy. It is very easy.
Very easy, bro.
Leave it. Hey dude, when will we start studying? It's already too late.
It's very simple, bro. Nothing will go wrong.
Why are you so hectic, bro? Really, it is so easy.
Do you understand what I'm saying? When will we start studying? It's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? It's time for game.
Wait. Hold on a second. When will we study?
Was I saying same thing in Spanish till now?
Oh man, I don't know a single answer.
All of us are definitely going to fail, bro.
Yes, bro.
Supplements, sir. Look at these idiots, sir. Wasting time. These fools wants to group study. Tell me, sir, do we ever study in group study? Their sheets are as empty as their brains. I know I will not study in last moments. That's why I study a month before, sir. These fools wants group study. Ha!
I forget to study because I was playing FIFA. I have heard that the paper will be out of syllabus this time.
Why do we kids have to suffer like this?
Who will save us this time?
Is there any warrior out there? Any brave man who can save us from failure?
Yes, the one who told Munna Bhai MBBS to take headphones to the exam. The one who hides cheats in his shirt to secure the future of kids. The king of dropouts who is failed 10 times in 11th.
I have given a small cheats as a change. But the real auction begins now. The important cheats will be auctioned right now. Yes! Are you excited? Yes! Oh. It has ruined many lives. This cheat is of integration. Demands.
He has only one demand. The cheat goes to those who have the number of Pooja.
Dinchak Pooja? No, sit down.
Pooja Bhanusali.
Yes, which number?
Jio.
No, this number is not working. Sit down. Yes, this number. You got it.
Please give me.
And that's how Asutosh Bahubali saved the exam session. One cheat at a time.
Moral of the story: don't play the FIFA before exams, unless Asutosh Bhaiya on your team.
Don't do this. Please study before your exams. Thank you.